and now also the whatever course business analytics is going on, I am able to use that for the marketing part of my own startup. I'm Manjusha and I'm based in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And I am working as a proprietor for my own startup. It is called a laundry service. And right now I am handling the back-end work of it. I was motivated to do this program due to my daughter. Sheer motivation is she wanted me to go back to my career. Although I was working silently as a freelancer, and now I have my startup, she wants me to get groomed for and get upskill myself to the latest knowledge. The course is very good. I will say content-wise, the expertise and the program office is very supportive. Then we have doubt clearing session. Now, if you to look into the contents of the course is very mature. I will say curated. Mature in the sense it is up to the latest available knowledge. Even the HBR papers or case studies which are yet to be published, but in publication, in discussion, in final stage, we are get to know those, study those, even answer those questions, which are a very fresh perspective we are getting in terms of knowledge. My favorite part of the program is the live lecture. Any subject, live lectures are very interesting. You are sitting at home and learning to the level of B school, and the faculty is very experienced. My key takeaways from this program are the finance part of it, the costing part of it, how you should be careful about cost and investment, and another decision making tool, that is statistical tool, which we have learned in STAT, and now also the whatever course business analytics is going on, I am able to use that for the marketing part of my own startup. My one single advice is prepare well in week 1 and week 2, and do not miss any LVCs, because that is the only chance to interact with your faculty directly.